Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Biswa. In this video session, we are going to see what is the case statement or switch case statement in SQL Server. Before this guy, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notifications. If you ended up liking my video, gives me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Let's start. So what is a case statement? Okay, what is a case statement? Case statement means it's same as switch case statement in our other programming language like C, C++, C Sharp. So case statement goes through condition and returns the value when the first condition is met. Okay, just like if then else. So once the condition is true, it will stop the reading and return the result. If no condition return, it will the return value in the else clause. Okay. So means in our SQL programming, in a single line of query, we can check the conditions. So let's see how we can see. This is the SQL syntax to write switch case statement. Let's see with our SQL query. So you can see in this particular table, there are some students which has real name and there are some students which has demo name, demo student, demo like this, right? So particular here, I am going to write a statement. Those who are student is demo. Here one more column it will add. Student is demo. Student type is demo, and these are actual student. So you can see here, writing comma. When I'm just like a student type. Now run this statement. You can see actual student, demo student. Okay, so you got the idea how we can create, how we can write case statement in SQL query. It is easy because no need to write any PL/SQL or any cursor to check one by one record. So case statement is easy to check if a statement inside the SQL query in a single select statement. Okay guys? Okay. We can write here one more like when name like let's say so now run this query. This is master student, actual student, demo student. So in this way you can write multiple case statement using when. At last else is must required. Means if any condition is not satisfied, it will go to the else part. Okay guys? So you got the idea about how we can write case statement. Thank you guys.